Hello guys, welcome to all and Tech Mahindra coding question. The most recently asked coding question and repeated question is write a program to calculate and return the sum of distance between the adjacent number in an array of positive integer. They have given the example as input 1 5, input 2 it is a array and output should be 12. And how it's actually happening? So as we know that input 1 5 represent the size of array, input 2 represent the number of elements in the array, 10 11 7 12 14. There are 5 elements, so output is 12. How output 12 is obtained? We need to write the program to calculate and return the sum of distance between. Here you can see that sum of distance between the adjacent number. So how 12 is obtained means, first we need to make 10 minus 11. How much is equal to minus 1. If I take magnitude, how much? 1. And 10 and 11, fine. The difference between the adjacent number. Then 11 and 7. So 11 minus 7. How much? 11 and 7. 4. 4. Okay. Then 11 and 7, okay, fine. Then 7 and 12, how much difference? 7 and 12, how much difference? 5. So minus 5, if I take magnitude, it should be 5, right? Okay, then 12 and 14, how much difference? 12 and 14, how much difference? Is equal to minus 2. If I take magnitude, I will get 2. So sum of, we need to write the program to calculate the sum of difference between the adjacent number. So 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2, how much? 12. So we will obtain the 12. 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2, we will get output as 12. Let's directly get into the code how we can implement. Before get into the code, and we should see the logic, right? First of all, let's see the logic here. Okay, logic is first, yeah, 10 11 7 12 and 14. So I should be start from here, right? Then this, suppose it will stored in some array, let it be arr. So we need to make arr of I minus arr of what? I plus 1. Then we take magnitude. Okay, then we need to add with. Then next also same, we are taking repeating loop. I will explain in the program. Okay guys, let's directly get into the program. This is C++ program. First of all, as we know that there is function is called. So I will write main function. In main function, what and all I need require? First of all, I need how much element is there in array. So I will take that is int n. So then I need to enter n, and I need to in the console, then I need to store that n value in the inside n. Okay, then I need to declare the array. So they have given input 1 and input 2, right? So I just change n as input 1 because number of elements, and array as input 2. Okay, it is array. Okay, fine. Then we need to enter the array elements. First of all, let's take n itself. After that we will replace it, because so it is very simple, right? So it is array. Fine. Then for I initially, we need to declare I. So int I initially it is 0 and I less than n and I plus plus. Okay, so I need to see in array of I. So I entered both elements. Just execute it whether there is an error. If you just save it, yes, yeah, there is somewhat error that in, because I does not include using namespace std. Yeah, now I think it will work well. Yeah, array size I need to give like 100. Okay, yeah, it's working. Next I need to call the function. I need to call the function. And then we need to call the function that is find total difference. I need to pass to one thing is my n, another one is my array. Okay, and we need to implement that function that will calculate the total difference between the array elements. So that returning integer type, wait, that returning integer type, then find total difference. So n, and then this one is array, right? We should put the like that. Okay, okay, then we need to find out the there is int total. Just declare it total. Okay, then we need to find out put the for loop. So for I equal to 0, that is we should declare it int I equal to 0, I less than n minus 1. I will tell you why it is n minus 1. I plus plus. Now total find total. So total is equal to previous total plus abs, means magnitude of array of I minus array of I minus 1, sorry, I plus 1, next element, right? Difference between the first element and then next element. Okay, but only thing, then I need to return total. Okay, then here I need to print that total, right? So cout, print that total. Fine. And then as we know that here we have used the magnitude function abs, so we need to include one header file which so we need to include one header file, and which includes the this abs function, that is hash include io hash include cstd library lb. Okay, that's all. Okay, and just run it. Yeah, but it's giving an error. Yeah, we need to write the type, right? So int, and this also int, don't forget this one. Okay, just run it. Yeah, again here because it is array, right? Yeah, so run it. We need to give size here. Fine. Again it's giving error. Why it's error? Anyone think of that? Let's see the error. Okay, what's that error? Let's first of all see the error. Yeah, the find total difference was not declared in the scope. So not declared in the scope means what? uh okay, see out. Find, so it is function, right? Function call, right? Find total difference n comma, no, I no need to declare here this one, correct? Then passing array element total, initially it is 0, fine. Then I less than n minus 1, 5 minus 4 up to it runs 4, fine. ABS of array of I minus array of I plus 1 and return total. Run it again in function. What happens? Okay, fine. So in C++, there is no need of declaring the size of array, right? So size array is unknown. In main int n. Wait guys, I will solve this problem. Wait a second. Yeah guys, and first of all it's showing error because whenever declaring the array we should define the size. Okay, fine. Then yeah, then again run it and it's get, yeah. And here you can see guys, I am using here capital D, but here I am used small d, so I need to make this one as capital D. Yeah, run it guys. Yeah, and first we need to enter the number of elements, 5. Then what are the elements? What are the elements guys? 10, 11, 7, 12, 14. So just enter it guys in console. 10, 10 space 11 space 7 space 12 space 14. We have to get it as 12 as output, and guys you can see here we will get 12 as output, and I will explain the function here. Yeah, first of all, that's, yeah, it comes here int main. Okay, n declared. Okay, int n. So I have entered 5. So this 5 directly comes into this n. So n equal to 5 now. Then I have declared the array of size 100. Then using for loop I have, yeah, the 10 goes to array of 0, 11 goes to array of 1, 7 goes to array of 2, 12 goes array of 3, and 14 goes array of 4. Then here function call find total difference. In that function we are passing n means 5, and then this whole array 10, 11, 7, 12, 14. So it will goes here control. Yeah, it will receive it, through n of type integer through array arr of integer. In C++ we no need to define the size while receiving. So then there is a variable called total equal to 0. Then first we have find out 10 minus 11. Here you can see this array of 0 minus array of 1. 10 minus 11 is equal to minus 1, and ABS means plus 1. It should be added with total 0. Then 11 minus 7, it should be 4, and it should be added with 1, so 5. So yeah, it gets on repeating until I equal to n minus 1, means I less than n minus 1, means I less than what, 4, means up to 3, right? So 0, 1 2 3. Yeah, that's enough, right? Yeah, and then after that return total. Guys, it's simple guys, and thank you guys for watching. If you really like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.